from trees to becoming a log in your dream log home. My name is Dan Smith. This is Jackie Cherry. He's Vice President of Honest Abe Log Homes. A question that we get fairly often is, where do we cut our logs? I wanted to go into a little bit about that today, and instead of hearing that from me, Jackie would be a much better source for that. But you know, we get that question, and you feel like people think that, you know, we're cutting the logs, but let Jackie tell a little bit more about where we get them.
Actually, what we do, we buy logs from different mills all over the eastern part of the United States. We bring the logs in here. They are called a cant. If you notice behind me, they are on sticks. We actually put those on sticks so they can be drying out for your home. They will sit on our yard for a specific amount of time. It might be a month, it might be 3 months before we actually put them into the dry kiln. They will stay in the dry kiln somewhere between 25 to 50 days, depending on the size of the timber and how long it takes to dry that timber. We'll usually get the average moisture content down to about 18%. We take them out of the kiln, then we'll stack them in a shed somewhere to store them until we get what we call a material list or a cutting list, which we do that for a specific house. We don't just plane these logs down, we cut these out for a specific house. So then we would plane your logs down at that particular time, and the guys in the plant would start processing of cutting those logs out for your house.
Jackie, when we tell a customer that if you're going to build within the next 5 to 6 months, your house is already here, that would be why, because the cants are already here just waiting for you. If you have any questions or would like to see this process in a little bit more detail, reach out to us. Contact information is here, and we can walk you through all the steps. So we'll take you from when it comes in to when it goes out, and we'll show you the whole process.